In Song of the Wind, the left hand gets to learn something a little bit new. We've seen it before in Lightly Row, where we have this marking of keep the finger down. And in Song of the Wind, the example is, I'm looking at the music, the example is keep the first finger down. We saw it back in Lightly Row with keep the third finger down, right? We learned about tunnel fingers in Lightly Row. The difference and the extra challenge in Song of the Wind is that I'm keeping my first finger down while the fourth finger is actually hopping between two strings, like this. I'll just start from the beginning. Did you see that? So when I get to measure 3, it's B, very important while you're keeping the first finger down is that this fourth finger, so while you're keeping the first finger down, is that you make sure the fourth finger is hopping, okay? Here's the mistake that everybody wants to make when they're playing Song of the Wind, is letting the hand squeeze down like this or roll over like this, yes? It is very important that I maintain my good left hand shape over here while my fourth finger is going back and forth. See that? I'm actually lifting. I'm making it a small motion, right? I don't want to make a big, huge motion. I want to get there quickly and efficiently, all right, for the piece, but I maintain my good hand shape as I go. Never roll down like this. See how now my pinky is not doing good things, okay? All right. Hop. It's a hop, not a roll, not a squeeze, but a hop. It's almost like I'm pivoting on my first finger just a little bit to keep my first finger down, right? And that happens twice in the piece. It happens in measure 3 and it happens in measure 5, okay? As far as the rest of the piece, so that's the new thing in Song of the Wind that we are doing. There's one other new thing we're going to do in another video with the right hand. But as far as the left hand, this is the new thing and the thing that we have to keep in mind. As far as the rest of the intonation, as always, I want to make sure I'm listening for ringing tones. Remember, fourth finger ringing tones. I'm always tuning up my fourth finger to the open string below. And that is especially true with this measure 3 and measure 5. And I can even isolate that and practice it by itself. Back and forth, listening for ringing tones. All right. If you need some help getting this really under your fingers, check out the practice loops on the Cello Online, and make sure you watch the next video here about Song of the Wind or some other video that will help you to perform this piece a little bit better. Thanks for watching. If you got something out of this, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.